Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I talk about print-on-demand business, about different pod platforms, on pod topics, about design ideas and other videos. I want to start a little experiment in this video. The main idea of this experiment is to upload 100 different designs for different print-on-demand platforms, and then we will look what will happen, which platform will bring more sales, and also what will be profit from different platforms, so we can find some info about a comparison of different pod platforms, because yes, of course, there are a lot of different videos, a lot of different text about different platforms and how they work and what is pros and cons of any platform, but a lot of them were created several years ago, and we can find that there are some changes in different pod platforms. So this video will be more up to date. Of course, it will be just 100 different designs, and in other cases, of course, can be different results, but I think that as information, it can be useful for different entrepreneurs or designers to have some new data about different print-on-demand platforms. As for now, I chose three main platforms that I want to use for sure. It will be Redbubble, of course, Teepublic. These two platforms are quite similar, with even one company that is operating these two platforms, but sales on these two platforms can be really different. And the third platform that I will use, it is Etsy. Etsy is not a classical print-on-demand platform, but you can also upload your designs here and make your print-on-demand business on this platform with some extra work from you, such as conversations with your customers and others, but to be honest, it is not a lot of differences with classic print-on-demand platforms. So I want to compare it with Redbubble and Teepublic, especially because your profit can change a lot from one sale. Of course, type in comments if you think that it will be a good idea to add some other print-on-demand platforms. I will definitely add my designs to these three platforms as for now, but in future I think that I can add some new pod platforms, and this experiment will be more wide, so please type your tips and wishes in comments, not only about pod platforms, but also about some other things that you think is important for this video. And as for now, I didn't upload any designs yet. I chose already nearly 50 different designs. It will be a design from different niches. All of them are evergreen designs, or that kind of designs that can be sold any time of the year with the same frequency, because I don't think that it's a very good idea to add some holiday designs or trending design to this experiment, because it will be very short-term info, very short-term data from such kind of designs. And I also will not do any advertising, any promos of my designs. It will be a simple upload, yes, of course, with optimization, with titles, the text, descriptions that will be made good, but nothing extra, only basic optimization. And of course, I will use all products on Redbubble and Teepublic, all that are available on these platforms. As for Etsy, I think that I will add only t-shirts for these designs, and I will look what it will give me. After uploading, I will post also new videos. I think I will make them every month, so we can find the trend of sales for different platforms, because I have my expectations of sales from these designs. For example, I think that Etsy can bring some sales even in first months. For Teepublic, I think that it can be only in a couple of months, maybe, but maybe faster too. For Redbubble, something more close to Teepublic too, but we will look what will happen in reality. A couple of words about designs quality too. I made my own designs that are not created from some stock images or some Canva help or some other. It is a unique design for each keyword, for each key phrase, and of course maybe some of them made better and some worse, but I think that the average quality of these designs is quite good. I will not show the exact designs in this experiment, but I will talk about niches. It will be designs from different niches, and when I will be analyzing some sales or any other activities such as likes or maybe conversations on Etsy, I will say for which niches it happened and where the interest is higher. So I think it is all for today for this video, because it's only a starting point of this experiment. Not a lot of info that I can share with you right now, but I wanted to film it because maybe you will type some good tips for this video format in comments. I will definitely read all your comments here, and maybe it will be good for this video series. I hope that it will be useful for a lot of people. So as for now, subscribe to this channel to stay in touch and to find if these designs will bring sales, how many sales will be from other platforms, and of course type also which other platforms I should use. Other platforms will not be in the first line, but I think that I can add some other platforms if you wish to have a comparison with them too. So that's all for today. I wish you good sales and see you in new videos. Bye.